Morning everybody. I just thought I'd share with you how my thought processes are on this quick video to using traditional gouges being a blind wood turner. So it's obviously going to take lots and lots of practice to become comfortable and competent with this, but a very quick rule or aid would be quite simply, whilst I'm roughing out this little bowl here, which is about 4 inches in diameter at the minute, it's just a blank. If you have the flute canted over to the left, have the flute at about 10 p.m. and obviously feel with your fingers where you are and make sure you're approximately on centre, and just slowly in the early days, just moving it forwards and backwards, you'll feel that you've got really smooth bevel contact. There is a trick that I first heard by Glenn Lucas, that if you put a marker pen line, probably a red one, down the centre of the flute, as you close the flute either way, as soon as that line disappears, you're pretty much in the ballpark. But obviously a marker pen line isn't good for the visually impaired or blind wood turner. So I have it at about 2 o'clock. Let the lathe come up to speed, and very gently you'll go, and then you have a nice bevel contact. And I like to keep that bevel contact, and I can move forwards and backwards to help give me a better feel. But just practice with that nice and gently. And of course, going the other way, if you're doing a push cut, you would have the flute at about 2 p.m. But just practice on some scraps of wood. And if you haven't used traditional tools yet, and you're using carbide and you fancied giving them a go, that's just a very, very quick and easy way to comfortably and safely get started. And if you were using them along a spindle, use the same method. So yeah, I'll just shape a bit more of this. So always feel where I'm going to start from before I start the lathe. And then remember not to overhang the lathe too much, rather the tool rest. And remember to start, stop, feel, start, stop, feel. And just keep up the practice and you'll be there in no time. Just keep it up. Thanks everyone.